In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount on prepaid orders in Shopify. To follow along, start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser and log into your store. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see an option labeled Discounts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Shopify keeps all the tools for creating and managing your discount codes. On the discounts page, you'll see a button that says Create Discount. Click on that to start setting up a new offer. Shopify will now ask what type of discount you want to create. For a prepaid order discount that applies to the whole order, choose the option called Amount Off Order. This tells Shopify that the discount should be calculated on the total order value, not just on specific products. Next, you'll be taken to the main discount setup screen. At the top, you'll see a field where you can type in your discount code. You can either create something custom, like a simple word or phrase that your customers will remember, or you can use the option to generate a random code if you prefer a more secure and unique format. Below that, set how much you want to take off the order. Choose a percentage discount and then type in the value you want. For example, 40%, or whatever makes sense for your promotion. This percentage will be applied to the total value of the order at checkout. Scroll down to the eligibility section. Here, decide who can use this discount. You can make it available to all customers, limit it to specific customer groups, or target particular customers if you're running a more exclusive offer. Under that, you'll see minimum purchase requirements. Decide whether the discount should only apply when customers spend a certain amount or buy a minimum quantity. If you don't need any requirements, you can leave this as no minimum. Next, look at maximum discount users. This is where you control how many times the discount can be used in total or per customer. Setting limits is useful if you're running a special promotion and want to avoid overuse. In the combinations section, choose whether this discount can be combined with other discounts like product-specific or shipping discounts. Allowing combinations can be attractive to customers, but may reduce your margins, so choose carefully. Then, go to the Active Dates section. Click Set an End Date and choose when you want this discount to stop working. This is great for time-limited campaigns or seasonal promotions. Before you save, look near the top right side of the page for a checkbox that says something like Allow discount to be featured on selected channels. Make sure this is checked and include point of sale as one of the channels. This ensures your prepaid discount is available not only online, but also when you're using Shopify POS in person. Once everything looks good and your settings match your promotion strategy, click Save. Your discount for prepaid orders is now ready to go.